Hi friends, this is Dr. Achyut here. I recently came across a picture of a person holding 4 different pulse oximeter in 4 fingers, and on each finger the oxygen saturation was showing a different value. So I was curious if it is actually possible, and if that is true, how to rectify this and how to see the right oxygen saturation value for you. I would like to tell that in 2 ways for you. Before that, let us see if it is actually true for us to have 2 different readings in 2 different fingers. Okay, let us see in one device first. So this is loading. Let me see. So if you look at this, I hope you can see it. One is 99, the other one I'm not sure, I think it is lesser than the one. The other one is 91. See, at this point, one is 91, the other one is 99. So how is it possible? How is it possible for us to have 2 different readings in 2 different fingers? It is not generally possible, right? Say, I'll show you something else. If I do like this, see, the levels seem to drop down. It is 87 now. Okay. So it seems to drop down. Okay. It depends. It changes from device to device. This device does not change if you have a look at it. So it is possible in some cases for us to have 2 different readings in 2 different fingers, right? So how to rectify this? How to see if the pulse oximeter is showing the right value? The first thing is, every time when you use a pulse oximeter, if it shows a value which is lesser than 90 or 95, in which case we generally panic. First, don't panic. Have a look at the value of the pulse oximeter. If it is showing less than 90 or 95 or even 85, then take it out, keep it in a different finger and check it. If the value shows the same, that is, if it still remains the previous value, then take it out and keep this on a person who is healthy, who does not have any symptoms. If he or she still has the same value, or if the value seems to increase, it means that the pulse oximeter is working well. But if the values are different in different fingers, if you keep it in one finger and if in another finger if it is different, and if it differs for the next person also, it means that there is some problem in the pulse oximeter. You might have to change the pulse oximeter. So don't panic. That is the first thing to do. The second thing, every time you use a pulse oximeter, keep it in your finger, sit straight, and then keep it on your finger for at least 30 seconds. Let it be on your finger for 30 seconds. The values generally fluctuate between 95 to 99 for some people. That is very normal. But then what value remains at the end of 30 seconds is the right value. See, for example, once I have kept it, it is showing 99 in the beginning itself. Let us see if it remains the same. Sometimes it changes itself to 98. Sometimes it changes itself to 99. So we have to see the value which remains constantly on the whole of this 30 seconds. See, it is showing 99 only. So after 30 seconds, whatever value remains is the right value. So in this way, you will be able to identify the right oxygen saturation value of yours, and take oxygen saturation values multiple times in a day to see what is the right oxygen saturation level. Okay.